The next step of process identification after designation is prioritization of the business processes, also known as process selection. As part of this step, based on well-established criteria, we need to assess our business processes and prioritize their management accordingly. There are typically three criteria or three assessment dimensions that are utilized as part of prioritization. First, strategic alignment or importance. How important is this business process for the achievement of the strategic objectives of the organization? Clearly, core processes will be privileged as opposed to support and management processes because they more directly generate business value for the company and its stakeholders. The second dimension is the health of the business process, or in other words, how dysfunctional is this business process. This is essentially measuring the performance of the business process in terms of quality, in terms of time, in terms of cost, etc. So this helps us identify the processes that are in deepest trouble. And finally, feasibility. Feasibility is the ability or susceptibility of a business process to being changed. This is harder to assess because structured mechanisms to assess the feasibility are scarce and are mostly based on the understanding of the context rather than on precise methods. Feasibility is about measuring, taking into account the political and cultural implications in the organization that relate to changing a particular process. What is going to happen if I change this order to cash process? Is the process owner for this process amenable to change? Because changing this process will entail that the owner will be responsible for the BPM project as well as will be accountable for the new performance, for the performance of this order to cash process once we have redesigned it.